Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to install Disney Plus on a Windows 10 computer, then unlike Netflix, it does not have a specific app on the Microsoft Store. But here's what you can do. Search for Disney Plus in the Bing search bar. Click this option to open disneyplus.com. In some countries, it would open with Hotstar or other apps. And then, once the website has opened, click on these three dots at the top right corner of the Microsoft Edge browser. Go to Apps and click on this forward pointing arrow. Select Install this site as an app and then click on Install. Now, how would you open this app once you have closed it? Because it opens automatically for the first time, but what if you need to open it again? Then go to these three dots again, go to Apps, Manage Apps, and you'll find the Disney Plus or Hotstar app here. Simply click on it and it will launch the website as an application. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.